Quick tutorial, mesh extraction. Open Tools RVFX Mesh Extractor. Assign the target mesh. Open Selection Help to view selection controls. Select the faces you want to extract. Switch to the Extraction tab. Choose an export format. FBX requires Unity's FBX exporter package. Enable the extraction options you need and set a custom pivot if needed. Click the Export button. If Add to Scene is enabled, the extracted mesh is added to the scene. The mesh is saved in the export folder with optional textures and materials. Thanks for watching, and I hope Mesh Extractor helps speed up your workflow.